I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? I'm used to waiting. Are you? Would you be waiting there too? I'm used to staying. Would you? Would you be waiting? Dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Can't be waiting. Can't be waiting. Oh, dopamine when you send pictures. When you send pictures. Oh, would you be waiting?
You suppress all of the thoughts in your head and say it's complicated. You hide your pain, but I can see it etched on your face. I know the feeling, swear you're okay, but you're barely breathing. Don't you walk away. There's a feel you're getting lost, the feel you're trailing off. Feel it in your words when you say there's nothing wrong. There's